Hey YouTubers, it's Dansky. So in this video we're going to be taking a look at Pantone colours and how they can be used when designing for print. So what is a Pantone colour? Well, a Pantone colour is part of a standardised colour matching system, so manufacturers that are in different locations can easily identify a particular Pantone colour by its reference number and know that exactly how it's going to look when they send something to print. So for example, I have a mug here. The colour of this mug is Pantone 363. So I know that when I select the Pantone Swatch 363, it goes to print, it's going to look exactly like this. So I know how the colour is going to look when printed in advance, because sometimes when you're printing in colour, there can be slight variations. So what are some of the different ways that you can find out the Pantone colours? Well, you can look them up online, you can get a Pantone book. They can be quite expensive, but they're very good because they have all of the different Pantone swatches, and you can just pull the little swatches out and then you can match them up to objects to make sure that you get the closest colour match. But the easiest way to look up all the different colours or search by a colour is in Adobe Illustrator. So you can load up the Pantone colour library in Illustrator and you can browse the different Pantone colours, or you can search by number. So if I went into Illustrator and searched for Pantone 363, I would get this colour, the same green used on this mug, and I would know that when it prints it will look exactly like this colour. So let's jump into Illustrator now and take a look at how it works. So we're now in Adobe Illustrator and we're going to go over to our Swatches palette on the right. So here are all the default swatches that Illustrator provides us to start with. But if you go up to this little drop down up here at the top, click and go down to Open Swatch Library and then Colour Books, and you'll get a whole load of different options here, but the one we want is Pantone Solid Coated. Now the Pantone Solid palette is the most popular and most widely used, and the solid coated and solid uncoated, the difference is just what material you're printing on. So if the paper has a coated finish or an uncoated finish, you would select accordingly. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to select Pantone Solid Coated. And you'll see that we get a big long list here. Lots and lots of different colours. So if we create a shape, we can then fill it with these Pantone colours. Or if we want to create the same colour used on the mug I showed, that's Pantone 363, we can type that in up here and we get that exact same shade of green. And what you can also do is you can drag a swatch from there over here into your swatches palette. As always guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Take care.